Hi, friends. Papa Dale here once again with another great topical study. It's part of a grand study I call Bible Nutshells, and there are over 100 of them. The one today is Bible Nutshell number 25, God is Immanent. And now this topic is related to the topic we did in lesson number 24, Transcendence. God is transcendent is the name of that study. Transcendence refers to God as being outside of physical reality, over and above, and immanence refers to God being inside of physical reality, kind of shot through everything in a special theological way. So anyway, these videos are made for lay people to have a broader understanding of the teachings of Orthodox historic evangelical Christianity, and they are made both for the viewer today, before the rapture of the church, which we anticipate is going to come real soon, but it's also intended to be a body of work that would last after the rapture, that Christians or that people who look around and say, oh, what? Wow, where'd everybody go? What happened? Who's going to teach me about the Bible now? Some of them may be able to find some of these teachings and extract some godly benefit from it. So I'll put on my reading glasses here and we'll embark on Bible Nutshell number 25. God is immanent. Now, Christians believe that the transcendent God Yahweh, who cannot be approached or seen in essence or in being, becomes immanent primarily in the God-man Jesus, the Christ, who is the incarnate second person of the Trinity. He was personally immanent in the first century among those who knew him, perceived him, or experienced him with one or more of their five senses. Yahweh continues to be immanent for believers who experience him in the person of the indwelling Holy Spirit. Remember, Yahweh is one God, but in three persons, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Each is the full manifestation of Yahweh in all of his attributes and nature. When we say that Yahweh is immanent, we mean that God is personable and relatable to those made in his image, while remaining completely distinct and unique from all of his creation. It means that God is not a distant deity as imagined by the deist, one who only sits on his heavenly throne having no interaction with his creation. That's not our God. God doesn't wind the world up like an old-fashioned spring-driven alarm clock and let it tick-tock down on its own ever after. Instead, he is a personal God who created people in his own image to be in personal relationship with him. A people who were created to bear his image in the physical reality he created. Immanence refers to his presence within his creation. It is not to be confused with imminence, which refers to the timing of Jesus' return to earth, or eminence, which means renowned or notable. This is immanence. Immanence. The belief in God's immanence holds that God is present in all of creation while remaining distinct from it. In other words, there is no place where God is not. His sovereign control extends everywhere simultaneously. Christ is the incarnate God. Quote, "And the Word was made flesh and dwelt among us, and we beheld his glory, the glory as of the only begotten of the Father, full of grace and truth." John 1, verse 14. He is Emmanuel, God with us, according to Matthew chapter 1, verse 23. He is Yahweh, the immanent one. So that's the Bible study for today on God is immanent, lesson number 25. Well, you could create a really difficult tongue twister by all of that somehow. The immanent God is eminent and has eminence or something. I don't know. Immanent. Let's see. How would that work? You could go, the immanent God is eminent and immanent. The immanent God is eminent and immanent. That would be the God that is with us is both renowned and coming soon. That works. The immanent God is both immanent and eminent. The immanent God is both immanent and eminent. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going way overboard here. Sorry about that. So this is a real professional presentation, believe me. Okay, so that was Bible Nutshell number 25. God is immanent. Okay, don't get back into that. God is immanent. That's Immanent. You can read the difference in the spellings in the lesson notes that are attached to, that are linked to the bottom of this video. So, as always, you can leave prayer requests. And oh man, I just had too much fun on the ending of this video. At the bottom, in the comment section, you can leave comments or prayer requests or questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And there are links to my Facebook page there, where you can do the same there, or you can friend me on my Facebook page. So anyway, Bible Nutshell number 25, God is immanent. And until the next video, y'all have a blessed day. I'm having too much fun here.